Sometimes off-the-shelf solutions aren't the right solution. Turn to Turck for cost-effective custom sensing solutions that make sense for today's difficult applications. Created by in-house design experts, engineered to your specific needs. Developed in the US with global support. We'll take on your tough application challenges right here at Turck. From special housings to unique mounting to overmolded seals and connectors, you'll eliminate customization hassles and machine downtime by working with our team of engineers. You'll also have access to our range of services like parts kitting, pre-calibration, and custom labeling. Free up your valuable time and let us take care of the rest. From standard everyday issues to one-of-a-kind solutions our competitors won't touch, we never shy away from a challenge. Where others say no, Turck finds a way. Contact us at 1-800-544-7769 or visit us at www.turck.us to learn more.